I would like, if we can today, simply just to pay attention to, can we learn just to be? It's a very difficult word to be understood, learning just to be. Just to be here now. Just to exist. Actually, the real point of meditation is learning just to be here. So maybe today I would like you to undertake the exercise. It's almost like me being in this nature in British Columbia, in Vancouver. And if you watch nature, you cannot get that feeling. It's just being. And in the state of just being, something dynamic happens. You see, we always mistake doing for dynamic, doing for living. We don't understand all doing has to be birthed from a state of being. So today I want you to focus and see whether you can pay attention to just being here now. Many think this is easy to do. They say, I'm just being. That's not true. The process of becoming is so active in everybody. This active state of becoming takes one away from the state of just being. Is simply to be grounded, so to say. These are the words they use. Simply just to be rested but not lazy. It's to be settled but not given up. To exist, not escape. Simply to be seated, just to be here now. Unmoving, unreacting, but completely alive. Like if you watch this nature, that's what it is. It is here, it is being, but it's alive. From this being, something alive explodes. Again, when I'm instructing you for this meditation, don't assume you understand it too fast. Explore. See whether you can just be. Sometimes if you're with somebody you love or somebody you like, can you just be? Can two people just be without falling asleep, without escaping, without running away, without making a mind, simply just being, silently? I would like you to take 20 minutes today, if you can, simply to sit and just be. Be doesn't mean becoming. Being means simply being with the gravity of what is there as oneself. Simply to exist, simply to be seated, simply to be silent. In such awakeness, in such dynamism, in such totality, something happens. You see, the notion of I constantly wants to become something. The notion of I is always aggressive. It's trying to become this, that or the other, and the process of becoming is never to accept that one is. When you can just be, in that state of being, what can come to be comes to be seen. Then your inner vision is born. Then you actually see what is possible. Right now, the process of becoming is a restlessness of escaping the inability just to be. So today I would like you to, for 20-30 minutes, simply sit, rest and just be. The state of rested in being is meditation. Meditation is the achievement of that state. So you are undertaking an exercise to see whether you can achieve this state of meditation, which is just to be rested, to be here now, to be in acceptance without defeat, to be rested without lazy, to exist. If you watch this nature, this is beautiful, such a beautiful day. We are simply existing. I am and you are. To me, that's the state of love when one's achieved. Love is what is being moving through what it can be. What is being moving to what more it can be without the interference of I or restlessness. So as you and I breathe together today, we are simply going to participate in just being, and we're going to observe the mind that prevents it. Give it a try. And this exercise is a learning exercise. While you do this, you learn from it. Let it teach you about you. Let it reveal what it means just to be. I'm going to sit here for a while and enjoy this scenery and enjoy this place. Talk to you all soon. Give it a try.